we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words and some of the most mispronounced ones as well in English. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So British and American pronunciations are quite different here. For reference, this is a word of French origin, which explains its spelling and also part of its pronunciation in English. For reference, in France it is said as grandeur, grandeur. Now in British English in the UK it is said as grandeur, grandeur. Yes, it's a J sound, a J sound here, not a D sound. Grandeur. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as grandeur, grandeur in American English versus grandeur in British English, all of which is from French, grandeur. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words like grandeur, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.